Hey people, what's up? What's good? Happy Sunday. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. What time is it, babes? About 1:30? Don't worry, Outlaw's over there listening to some Professor Nuts on the Sunday afternoon. So it's about 1:30 on a Sunday. We're just gonna eat a little bit of Sunday dinner, cook from early. Well, you know Sunday, you cook from early on a Sunday, right? So 1:30 we're gonna eat a little bit of food, and then we're gonna take a Sunday drive. People, we're gonna take a Sunday drive. Come on, can you say hello to the people? I'm not say hello to the people. He's trying to adjust the the camera. Come on and say hello to the people. Say hello to the people. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we say Sunday. Chill day today. Like I said, we're done early. We're gonna have a little bit of food. Now you know how Sunday go. You eat a little bit early, then later on you go back for a little bit more, right? Yeah. And then you still have enough in the pot for Monday, the Sunday Monday. Yeah. So we're gonna eat, and then we're just gonna go for a drive. Yeah. I think I'm not exactly sure where we're gonna end up, but we're gonna go to St. Mary's side. Yeah. And just have a drive around, stop, have a drink, whatever. But people, I've been so busy this week, like so busy working at home, working from home, on the laptop, constantly, morning to night, right?
Yeah, baby, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, she's doing it, man, she's doing it.
I've been so busy. So, yeah, I think today is nice, a good day just to kick back, relax, and just don't think about work. But no, me, when I come back in, I'll probably be on the laptop working. But I'm going to try and, just free my mind from working. And we're going to enjoy Sunday. It's a nice day. Good. Yeah. So guys, today is rice and peas, curry chicken. Somebody didn't fry the plantain. Somebody didn't fry the plantain.
There are other people that work in here.
Huh?
There are other people that work in here.
You didn't fry the plantain.
Oh, it wasn't me you're talking about?
Yes.
So it means somebody?
You are somebody, but he did make soursop juice, so I can't complain. Yeah, he did that.
Yeah, baby, we give each other props, you know?
Yes. We did.
Sometimes we do this like a socks. Yeah, we give each other props.
But yeah, this is just a little bit dinner today. Until later.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Crazy coconut pick and boil around them place. I get natural coconut around them place. All them jelly on the roadside come from right at them place. Yeah, man, home of jelly. As you know, St. Mary. Yeah, my people, beautiful evening.
Afternoon. It's afternoon. People, it's what time is it? 3:30. You keep saying evening. You've been saying evening from about 1 o'clock this afternoon. It's afternoon. You know, not something else to say. What? Okay, guys. So here we are. Greencastle Estate. Okay, guys. Here we are. Strawberry Fields Together. Guys, do you know about this place? Do you know about this place? Strawberry Fields Together? I think it's a hotel.
It's around there,
beach and stuff. Yeah. But we're heading in Robins Bay. Robins Bay. We came up here early last year, and it was oh my gosh, it was beautiful.
Yeah.
So
nice place.
We thought let's go out for a little drive, and this is where we end up, Robins Bay. We're at near Strawberry in the Fields. Robins Bay. Can you see that over there? That's the I think that's the hotel, Strawberry in the Fields. But it's beautiful, isn't it? You've got all like the hill, the mountainside right behind it, but then it's right on the sea.
True.
Yeah.
It's fat view right round to the corner. And if you go up on the top side, you can see everything down there. So.
Yeah.
Everybody live on top of that. You can see
Get the
everything.
full view, yeah.
Yeah, man. Everybody. Full view.
So I think that's a hotel over there. You can with different rooms, and I think it's quite well known. Strawberry in the Fields, yeah. Yeah, but look at it, guys. Just the mountain and the sea. Yeah, beautiful. It's our first time around here. We've been like out like we said, we've been up top, like up in the mountains or up in the hills, looking down. But we just thought, let's come and explore and have a look.
That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah.
Nice.
So you think set?
Yeah.
A place named Robins Bay. That's it here.
This is what I really come for, guys. This is what I really come for. I know it doesn't look like much right now.
Look, they're going to show you what I'm
Right, so when you get to the top of this, oh my gosh. What awaits? Just looks like a road, isn't it? Yeah. When you get to the top of this,
see it there?
we're going to come out and show you.
Bird's eye view.
Yeah. So this is what's here.
Bird's eye view.
So this, guys, look at this. This is what is here at the top. Do you remember a few minutes ago we were down there, close on the bottom? So we have driven up now, further up in the hill, and this is what it is. So there's Strawberry in the Fields down there.
Yeah. This is the little bird's eye view in a little part of St. Mary. Yeah.
Look at this.
Robins Bay view this. Real view.
Just amazing. It's just so cool up here as well.
Let's look right now. You're right.
Just. And then guys, look, so you've got all the sea. But it doesn't stop there. Once you come around here, you've got the mountains. Yeah.
I think I come through line on some of them there.
You hear what he says?
Yeah, I think I come through two line on a side. I see a lot of place. Come in for a while, I see a lot of place around so I can show my line. I got, yes.
Yeah. Guys, I could work with this every day.
Sometimes keep it on around there, I show line, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But look. The beauty, that is Robins Bay.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And it's a bit blurry, the sun, guys, the sun. But just...
Soon gone. You might go on, you know.
Get a bit of it though. You've just got to be in the shot, haven't you? Haven't you? You couldn't give me my 10 seconds of huh?
People don't talk about us, you know. Not near you. Us.
Oh gosh.
That's
so
a plus.
it means you have to be in the shot then.
God is
You have to be in the shot.
Nothing wrong with that shot.
Anyway, beauty, beauty, beauty. Yeah. Look, guys, driving past. I see a donkey, and you see what is that? The garland, the bird. What bird is that?
Garland.
Garland. It's it won't leave him alone.
Yeah, but I see him there, you know. I fool him a look, you know. I fool him a look and pick up all the ticks on my phone, you know.
Yeah. But it's annoying, the donkey.
Yeah, the donkey can't bother him.
I haven't seen a donkey in a long time.
Yeah, man, good old jackass, man. You hear about jackass like that, you know. Yeah.
See an island out there, right there. So you were saying that you think you could swim to this island?
Yeah, you can go out there. Actually, walk out there. That's not deep.
You think? I wouldn't be doing it, but...
True?
No.
You just swim class. Yeah, go.
So we've just stopped off here at this little kind of beach. See it? See there? It's not a sandy beach. It's not a sandy beach. It's more a stony beach, but a dark sand. on Stone Beach. But rocks over there, there's people over there, so we're going to take a walk over there. Yeah. But it's beautiful. I know. Where? I don't know there. Yeah. So we just walked from over here. Got these big rocks. Yeah, these big rocks.
Right, this one. A bit make a difference to them stones, can.
Yeah.
You can swim around them and yeah, sand between them, you know.
Yeah, some yeah.
Yeah, sand around them. Go to the sand. Go.
We're going through here. Yes, this is nice. They say people, my feet were wet. I didn't come equipped for this. But yeah, you can, you know, if you did come equipped, you could just sit down in here and just...
Yeah, nice
yeah.
legs, you know.
Yeah.
You come out there, ready for beach. Yeah, people, see how they? Wow. Feel a vibe. Time stone today?
Huh?
Time stone today?
Yeah, something like that.
Wow.
You can walk right through and go around there.
Yeah, you can go right along. Right along the coast of the beach line.
Oh, it's wet.
Where you going?
I want to stand in here. I was going to go over, but it's too wet.
Yeah. You're afraid to go over there.
No, because I didn't, look, in a maxi dress, it's not really the one.
It's not a maxi right now. I think it becomes a mini. It's pretty, my people. But that's something pretty stuff. Beautiful Jamaica.
Jamaica is so beautiful. Let me turn. And guys, you know what I like is that we can just, like, we don't have to make any plans. We just come out. You understand? We say, let's just go for a drive and just find somewhere to chill or jam. And we just jump in the car and we go. We don't have to plan. We don't need no money because this doesn't cost us anything. You understand? A little drive, what? A little 20-minute drive, half an hour drive maybe.
The beach side
yeah.
Everything going right there.
Yeah.
Everything that's on the beach.
It doesn't cost you anything. You
Nothing whatsoever.
Just come.
Yeah.
Just drive out, explore and come. Yeah. And that's what I like. Yeah.
Bring your food and come.
Yeah. And I think I like that the both of us are quite spontaneous. So we just sometimes we just act on impromptu. We just get up and go. Yeah. We don't need to plan out. No, we just get up and we go.
Yeah.
Sunday afternoon, we're not doing anything. We feel like let's just go somewhere and chill out. We just jump in the car and we go, just like that.
We don't know everything going on. I don't know what's around the West Finger.
Yeah, but how am I gonna get back down?
So you go same place you go up there, you walk same place and come back down.
Look, guys.
Come, you have to take it down.
Yes.
Just chuck the truck off on me. That's what I'm saying.
No, babe, I can't just chuck off on you. Don't be silly.
Jump over to me, man.
I can. Look here. Look at this. You want to jump over this?
Go jump over.
I'm not jumping. You need to come down further and lift me up and carry me down.
Come back, Jackie, right?
But I cannot, babe. I'm in a big old maxi skirt.
Jump on my back. I'm take it down.
I can't jump on your back.
I'm not jump here. Jump on my back. What's do that? If you had them boy in the dance hall.
Oh my God. People, if you. I was trying to avoid. He put me right in the water. Trying to lift me up. You trying to say that I'm heavy? Is that what you're trying to say?
You
trying to tell me I'm heavy?
Yeah, no argument about that. One can I check it out and come? Let's go sit in the water, baby.
Alright. Let's go in then. Look, guys.
Yeah.
Woo! Guys, I'm in a maxi dress, you know. Look at that maxi dress.
You got that?
Look at this.
Nice, son. I'll do it in a white light down the road, but it's brown, nice, clean.
In the water, in a maxi dress.
Yes, you're probably between the two of them now.
Yeah. Man, you drop.
Good,
I
man.
see,
You go too far.
I see you dip a little bit.
No, the sun, never say the sun stop, you know. You can feel it. You got the thing there.
Yeah, but you come in shorts and everything, so you're alright.
I need there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I weed there. Right, I'm in need there. See it there?
Please. Yeah.
Sun nice and right to do. What's that? Okay. Right it. Look there. Go from the nice sun.
It's like a big kid in the water.
Yeah, we are bring out a little piece of over there at times.
Mm.
Yeah, where you want, you see? You don't know.
What, by a big kid?
You can pick something there.
Yeah. So, that was nice, guys. That was good. Where are you going now?
Yeah, my people, you know, you see where they around the Robbins Bay. What's the sea grape? The sea grape there. This look like a sea grape. When you're ripe, they turn purple. And you just eat. Yeah, that's something I tell you about. So most of them big trees about the place where you see they stand up down the side ago. Like that. See them, my people? All of that is, see them there? All of that is sea grape. They grow all about in the Robbins Bay. Yeah.
Alright guys, I think we're going to end it here. Hope you've enjoyed the video. We certainly had a great Sunday afternoon out. Yeah, it was good. Outlaw's already said he's going back.
Beautiful feeling. Yeah, I'm going back.
Yeah, he's going to go back. But yes guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have enjoyed. You know what to do. And see you in the next video.
You know the thing go?
That's it.
Round the way I swing go.